Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Motorola Moto G13 with PC to transfer some files. And to do this we'll need to get the USB to USB-C plug, connect the USB-C end to your phone like this, and then connect it the other end to your PC. When it's ready, your phone should show something like this, and here we want to select File Transfer. Now move on to File Manager on your PC. You might also click on this notification which is shown right here, but I'm gonna go to this PC and find our Motorola manually. So it's this one. Click on it, and here's internal storage. We can copy and paste our files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.